I'm sorry, little moon boy Jimmy. I'm sorry, little moon boy James, but the Bitcoin price is now potentially gearing up for yet another heinous plunge deep down into the crypto abyss. We need to discuss not only this chart here today, but the global economic situation, the cycle situation, and what we can potentially expect for the Bitcoin price moving forward. So without any further ado, let's dive in and analyze what is going on, ladies and gentlemen. Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. Now, if you are subscribed to this channel, then you would know that I like to analyze from a very realistic perspective, not some hope and a dream for a moonshot and a Lamborghini mentality, like 99% of these other quote-unquote analysts like to do. Here on this channel, we keep it realistic, and there has been immense opportunity to trade this thing to the downside, short after short after short. And these moon boys, no matter what, ladies and gentlemen, they always seem to flip the narrative, even in the most bearish of situations where Bitcoin is down 70% from peak to bottom, and they say, this is good for Bitcoin. No matter what happens, ladies and gentlemen, it's always good for Bitcoin in their mind. Let's get this crypto. But as a realist, I've been looking at this market from a bearish perspective. Because why? When the trend is bearish, the Don is looking to ski down the mountain and profit to the downside. When the market is bullish, such as it was back in 2021, the Don looks to climb up the mountain and profit to the upside. Right now, it's very simple. We're in a down cycle. We're in a bearish environment right now, not only in crypto, but in the macro scheme, the whole global economic situation as well. I mean, just take a look at the S&P 500 here, folks. In an absolute bear market, just lower high after lower high, lower low after lower low, absolutely disgusting. And I just want to pull up this breaking news from today, ladies and gentlemen. U.S. consumer confidence has dropped to the lowest levels since February of 2021. I mean, when you're seeing a stock market drop like this, it's going to be very, very difficult, in my opinion, for Bitcoin to perform well or really even perform at all. Mix this together with the fact that Fed Chair Jerome Powell also thinks that these rate hikes could lead to more job losses in the U.S. Ladies and gentlemen, we could be staring at not only a U.S. recession, but possibly a global recessionary environment here as well. And with that taken into consideration, let's just talk about Bitcoin objectively here for a moment, okay? Bitcoin and crypto, as I said earlier, is the most speculative asset class in the world. Just is what it is. And during this euphoric period, we saw stocks ripping, we saw commodities ripping, even gold ripping, right? Everything ripping. Nowadays, things have changed. It seems that the only thing ripping is the US dollar index and select commodities, such as natural gas and crude oil, which have also seen a pullback themselves. So we have to ask ourselves the question here, where are we in this cycle? And is what fueled the cycle over or not? Okay. Now, if you are subscribed to this channel, then you would know that I've been in this market for a very, very long time. Now, in my opinion, in my experience, all of these cycles have a narrative that makes them moon really hard, a narrative that fuels the rally. Okay, back here in the early days for Bitcoin, it was just the fact that Bitcoin existed, decentralization, the white paper, Satoshi Nakamoto, peer-to-peer digital cash. It was the bee's knees, right? That was it. It was enough. Then after that first cycle, Ethereum came into the picture here in about 2015, okay? And this led to a whole new rally, ladies and gentlemen. ICOs started to come up, where investors were able to invest their Ethereum in pre-sales for yet-to-be-launched projects. Absolutely fueled this thing. And this led to altcoins just getting a ton of buy pressure as well inside this range. And what you have to understand is that on this bull run here, Stable coins didn't really exist. Tether came into the picture a little later on, but even when Tether existed, on most exchanges at the time, the only pairings that had Tether involved was either Bitcoin to Tether or Ethereum to Tether. That's it. So in order to buy altcoins back in this cycle, you really needed to buy Bitcoin. And I mean, I guess Ethereum, but you have to understand, ladies and gentlemen, the trading volume was heavily skewed to Bitcoin pairs, right? So say that you were buying some S coin, say XRP, right? You had to first buy Bitcoin on a fiat exchange and then use your Bitcoin to buy the XRP or whatever it was that you were buying, right? So it created this crazy environment where people that were coming into the market to buy altcoins, they had to buy Bitcoin first, which moved the Bitcoin price up. Then they transferred that Bitcoin over to an altcoin exchange and then bought the altcoin with it, which pushed the altcoin price up. It was just a double-edged sword, right? The candle was burning at both ends. I mean, it was essentially an unstoppable force for a very long period of time. Okay, so this was the altcoin and ICO bubble, Ethereum bubble, really. This was the bubble that came from Ethereum coming into existence. Then this bubble here in 2019, right? One that many people just overlook. In my opinion, it was two things. One, the market had just been so oversold, okay? And we had the introduction of futures up here. I mean, it just was a very weird time to be in the market, okay? I believe then that leverage trading fueled not only this drop down to 3K, but then the rally up to 14K, and then we kind of just flatlined again, okay? You have to understand that leverage trading and many of these platforms, they did not exist until in here, okay? Just like Tether and altcoin trading with Tether and other stable coins didn't really exist in here, leverage trading platforms like you see them today where people are going short and long on crazy leverage, those didn't exist back here, okay? They only came into existence really in here, or at least came into prominence, okay? It was all about spot trading back here, and then it became leverage trading in here. So to me, that sums up this period of time. Now, this period of time here in the current cycle that we were just in to the upside, this was fueled by obviously quantitative easing in the US. It was fueled by crazy stimulus packages, fueled by the NFT bubble, ladies and gentlemen. Little Jimmy and his monkey JPEG NFT, right? Going absolutely insane here. We had Robinhood traders finding markets for the first time, right? AMC, GameStop. We're the apes, Kirby. We're taking down all of the hedge funds. All of these people came in after the health uncertainty crash back in March of 2020. Literally, this bubble was fueled by degeneracy and financial illiteracy, in my opinion. Let's get this crypto. You heard it first here. This bubble was fueled by financial illiteracy and overall market degeneracy. Let's get this crypto. The Dawn struck gold again. Well, ladies and gentlemen, in my opinion, that's over. Okay, that speculative fervor, that mania that entered the market back here after the crash, it's all over. And during this period of time, the Federal Reserve was taking the rates lower. They were dropping the rates to stimulate, which pumped the markets higher. Now, ladies and gentlemen, they're in a rate hiking cycle, which applies pressure to these markets. And we're seeing the opposite. The Moon Boys, they get flushed out. The Robinhood degenerates, they get flushed out. I got diamond hands, Kirby. Yeah, you also got a portfolio that's down 98%, Stunad. Let's get this crypto. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, I just don't see how that type of mania is going to resume anytime soon. And I mean, ladies and gentlemen, take a look at this. If this isn't telling of the times, okay, look at this article headline. This Bored Ape NFT crypto restaurant has stopped accepting crypto. First, ladies and gentlemen, the fact that there's a NFT themed crypto restaurant should tell you where we were at in this cycle, ladies and gentlemen. Just take a look at the Wall Street cheat sheet and then understand that there was a NFT themed restaurant that sells burgers. Bored and hungry? Oh my gosh, ladies and gentlemen, you have to be kidding me here. Unbelievable. Now the restaurant has stopped accepting crypto as a form of payment. Okay? And why is this? Well, the guy or gal who goes in there to purchase a burger for lunch, they send the Ethereum or the ape coin, my God, or the ape coin, and they have to pay more in an Ethereum network gas fee than they did for the burger itself. $10 burger, $15 Ethereum fee. Let's get this crypto. What a business model, ladies and gentlemen. What a business model. But I digress. I'm just showing you that it's things like that that make it so obvious when you look at the Wall Street cheat sheet psychology of a market cycle of where we were at. And we were at peak euphoria. And right now, I just don't feel or see in the chart that we're going to resume that type of euphoria anytime soon, especially with all of the global economic situations that are going on around the world right now. It's almost like a perfect storm for sell pressure on the cryptocurrency market, in my opinion. And now let's look at some micro here for Bitcoin, okay? Let's just zoom in, look at the daily, see what's going on here. But ladies and gentlemen, as always, if you are appreciating the stream, if you could leave a thumbs up on the video for the YouTube algorithm, thanks for the thumbs up. And if you're brand new, welcome to the most must-see and most realistic Bitcoin analysis show on YouTube, period. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell and select all so you don't miss any more of these important Bitcoin updates. Welcome to the channel. Well, folks, it's very possible here, in my opinion, that we're seeing yet another bear flag here. It's very possible. We had one up here. Everybody told me, oh, Don, you stinking perma bear. You don't even know what a bear flag looks like. All right, little Jimmy, you can keep typing your comments away. Ladies and gentlemen, the bear flag broke down. We went right down into the target range of 20,000, just as the Don predicted. Shout out to my VIPs. You guys know I kept you up to date in absolute real time with my trade setup idea from above 27,000 to short this thing all the way down, deep down into the crypto abyss. Let's get this crypto. The Don struck gold again. Right? So while everybody wanted to just make believe that this market was going to do a U-turn and disregard the macroeconomic situation, disregard that we were at an area of macro support, which if broken could send us upon a capitulatory decline, I just let the chart do the talking for me, right? And I said, ladies and gentlemen, it could get ugly if we drop below there. But it's only ugly if you're trading this thing to the upside only. If you are looking to short it to the downside and profit when the market drops, ladies and gentlemen, look at my trade synopsis there. Okay, this is a VIP alert. If you're not already in my VIP, link is down below in the description and pinned comment to join. Ladies and gentlemen, short from above 27,000, took profit once, twice, thrice, 4 times, okay, with it as low as beneath 20,000 USD. Okay, absolutely crushed it like a 2-ton man on a tuna fish can. Let's get this crypto. And now, what I'm looking for now is my next trade setup idea to potentially crush it again. And this is a very unique spot here because I think it could be trapdoor number 2. I'm not saying that it has to be. Don't put words in my mouth, little Jimmy L. Kirby. What I'm telling you is that we had a trapdoor up here. And now I think it's very possible that if we continue to consolidate here at the 20K range, that we could build another little baseline of support here. All of the diamond hand hodlers that weren't flushed out yet could possibly get flushed out on the next downturn. And if that happens, I would expect a potential cascading waterfall of selling just like we saw prior from 30K down to 17K. But this time, it could be even worse, ladies and gentlemen, in my opinion. This is fear, uncertainty, and doubt, Kirby. Why are you making these videos? It's not fear, uncertainty, and doubts, do not. You know how many institutional players, you know how many of these lenders that are over-leveraged here are going to potentially get liquidated if we drop down below 15,000? This could be one of the darkest periods in crypto history if we drop that low, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm telling you right now, I don't think it's out of the cards at all. And one of the main reasons for this, ladies and gentlemen, is the grayscale Bitcoin trust chart, ticker symbol GBTC. Now, this is an instrument that's traded on the traditional brokerages, okay? It's a trust that holds spot Bitcoin, but it's a one-way street. The Bitcoin that gets put in the trust, it can't come out. You can't redeem shares back for spot Bitcoin. They go in, they're stuck there. You can't use it. So basically, this instrument is just a price action play, okay? Pure price action speculation. So what happens here is that the trust either trades at a premium, which we saw back in the bull run of 2017, okay? Or it trades at a discount like we're seeing now. And at times here, it has reached an all-time low in terms of its discounted rate compared to the spot Bitcoin rate. Over 30% discount at times here, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely astonishing. Now look at where we're trading here, okay? We are below this range here, which in my opinion, very, very closely resembles the 12 to 10K range on Bitcoin, does it not? And we've seen here on GBTC, we've already dropped below it, right? If this were just the spot Bitcoin chart, with where this is trading at right here, right now, to me, it looks closer to maybe 8,000, 7,000, 9,000, somewhere in that range, okay? And this chart has had a tendency to front run the Bitcoin price. The most infamous one, ladies and gentlemen, that I pointed out here on this channel. If you are subscribed here, I just remember these moon boys crying, ladies and gentlemen, when I posted this. They were crying. I said, folks, this to me here, this possible bullish divergence, right? On the Bitcoin chart, we saw a higher high, okay? It was something like 65,000, then 69,000. Here on the GBTC chart, we had the opposite. We had a high, and that second rally was actually lower than the first one, okay? And I was saying, folks, this to me is an absolute warning shot fired. These moon boys wanted no part of it, ladies and gentlemen. Kirby, GBTC is a product that nobody uses. Kirby, who would buy GBTC? They come up with every excuse in the book because all they want is a bullish, hopium-pumping, degenerate YouTuber to tell them that their thing is going to continue to go to the moon. They want to be pat on the back. They want their hair combed. These absolutely sycophantic moon boy degenerates. The Don has no time for this stuff, ladies and gentlemen. Right? I could have 1 million subscribers by now if I pumped these little moon boys up when we rocket shipped higher. Get out of here, though. This is the most realistic Bitcoin analysis show on YouTube, period. I'll never comb your hair, little Jimmy. Let's get this crypto. So right now, just understand, this product here, GBTC, has had a historic tendency to front run the Bitcoin price. And what I'm telling you right now is that with where it's trading at, with its current discount compared to the spot price, is way low, ladies and gentlemen, way low. In my opinion, it looks like it would be possibly 10,000 or maybe even a little bit less than that, as I was just saying, okay? Just understand that past performance does not indicate future results. I'm just pointing out that this chart right here does not look healthy, and this trend line of possible support is still a ways down, ladies and gentlemen, still roughly around 38% down at the time of recording. And in times of economic uncertainty, I mean, as I've stated throughout the whole video, these speculative assets are usually what drop the hardest from top to bottom. It's really just these moon boys with their hollow heads, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, there's no brain in there. You tap them on the right side of their head and poof, sawdust will come out their left ear. Let's get this crypto. Just is what it is. You understand? So let's go back to the spot Bitcoin chart now. If we start to lose the 20K range again, ladies and gentlemen, not only could this be another bear flag to the downside, but like I said, it could possibly be a second trap door range that it's opening, right? And we could potentially flush way down, possibly towards 12 or 10,000 in my opinion. And you see here, right? This is the range that I was just looking at on the GBTC chart, right? It looks very similar, and GBTC to me looked more so like it was trading down here, right? In this area. I mean, like I said, nothing's perfect, but just based off the structural visual of the chart, right, it looked to be about down there. So, I mean, this is an absolute warning shot fired to me, ladies and gentlemen. But as you should all know, if this market breaks down, wonderful. I'm going to look to potentially crush the move to the downside. It's only the moon boys that cry when it drops, ladies and gentlemen. Traders are absolutely dancing on the tabletops when this thing drops, right? Because you have tools at your disposal to trade it to the downside. Only these moon boys think that you can only make profit when it goes up. That's why they continue to hold, even in conditions where that looks absolutely like the wrong thing to do, in my opinion. So listen, ladies and gentlemen, I showed you my trade synopsis from earlier, crushed the move down while these moon boys told me I was absolutely delusional. Yeah, okay, little Jimmy, that's why you're leaving the comments and I'm making the videos. Let's get this crypto. The Don struck gold again. Now, if you want to see all of my trade setup ideas, entry ideas, potential take profit ideas, strategy ideas, everything like that in absolute real time, then today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Seriously, folks, this is the most must be a part of VIP group in crypto, period. And this is an example of what my trade setup ideas and alerts look like, okay? I post exactly where I'm looking to potentially enter. I post some additional thoughts as to why I think this is a good idea for myself. And then I post updates for you all along the way. You can see on the right side, right? Took profit, moved the stop loss, took profit, until the position was closed. And then it's on to the next. So ladies and gentlemen, like I just said before, if you're not already in my VIP, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Do not miss my next important VIP alert, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get this crypto. And on that note, if you did enjoy here today, ladies and gentlemen, I really would appreciate a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for the thumbs up. If you're brand new, welcome to the most must-see and most realistic Bitcoin analysis show on YouTube, period. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all so you don't miss any more of these important Bitcoin updates. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Do not miss my next critical VIP trade setup idea and alert. I'll see you in there right now after this video. Let's get this crypto. And until next time, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
Material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell / long or short any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments. Nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in the securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.